Hey, let's get started with the task. The meta description is not directly displayed on your website. It is the gray description that is displayed under the meta title in the search engine results when a user enters a query in a search engine. It is used as a ranking factor, so you should make sure it contains your most important keywords and is consistent with the content of your page. Your meta description should be between 150 and 165 characters long and should not be a list of keywords. It has to make sense to the reader. Each meta description should be unique. Log into your WordPress account as usual to get to the dashboard shown here. Click on Pages in the left menu. Navigate to the subpage for your selected keyword and then click on the pen icon next to Description to make an edit. Enter your newly optimized description in the field provided. Your new description should contain the selected keyword and not exceed the character limit. If you are managing a locally operating company, then you should also include the city name in the description once. Your description will be displayed in the search results. It should express the content of your website in 1 to 2 sentences and encourage search engine users to access your website. To finish the task, click on the green check mark. Great work! You've now completed this task. If you want to learn more about digital marketing, visit rankingcoach.com to see how we can help your business's online presence.